cheetah on safari says jerk, jerk, jerk. The hyena on safari says hop, hop, hop. The vulture on safari says squawk, squawk, squawk. The kudu on safari says bell, bell, bell. The honey badger on safari says rattle, rattle. The gum on safari says stop. The water turtle lizard on safari says croak. The dumb on safari says row. The carib on safari says croak, croak, croak. The chimpanzee on safari says hoot, hoot. On safari, what do we hear? All the animals far and near. The horseman on safari says quack, quack, quack. The secretary bird on safari says stop. The mongoose on safari says click and click and click and click. And the emperor on safari says nuts. The bush baby on safari says cry, cry, cry. Chameleon on safari says safari says step. The island on safari says click, click, click. The wild dog on safari says yip, yip, yip. The nightjar on safari says whistle, whistle, whistle. The oryx on safari says clatter, clatter, clatter. The hedgehog on safari says huff, huff. The water on safari says the store on safari says clatter, clatter, clatter. The cricket on safari says chuck, chuck, chuck. The territee on safari says munch, munch, much, much. So many sounds on the safari ground. On safari says chuck, chuck, chuck. The territee on safari says munch, munch, much, much. So many sounds on the safari ground.